Hey guys, back with another video with the new M4. So today is going to be my first mod on the car, and I'm going to be doing something that, the factory should have done when they made this car, and that is these exhaust tips. I am going to be upgrading them to, got these larger ones, they're 90 millimeters, but they are a black exhaust tip. And they should look a lot better. So as you can see, the chrome ones just don't look good, and they're also kind of small exhaust tips. So what I'm gonna do is just pop these suckers off right there. They're gonna slide off. We're gonna slide on the new ones. So let's open up these new ones. I'll show you what I'm working with. Let's see. Oh yeah, these are way better. So yeah, these are larger exhaust tips, and I love the black ones. So they're gonna sit right there compared to the stock ones. Already looks so much better. So basically, I'm gonna start hammering this part and just knock these suckers off and get the new ones on. Okay guys, that is all WD-40 all over the garage. But I finally took the stock exhaust tips off using that hammer and that magical thing right there. It was a pretty kind of long and painful process. Probably took about 35-40 minutes to get them off because they were super stuck on there. But now we can take the, let's see, we can take these ones, slide them over and see how they look. Much better. That looks like a way better exhaust tip than those guys. I'm excited for this. We got one side done. Now we got that side to do, and we will be set. Already looks amazing. All right, guys, there's the old ones, and now the new ones. This completely changes the look of the back of the car. I mean, that looks awesome. So much better. You can see underneath how that fits. Such a nice look. I highly recommend doing this mod to your car. Really makes the M4 look even more aggressive in the back. Okay guys, so that's the end of this video. Super excited about the new exhaust tips. I definitely think it really changed the look of the car better than those factory exhaust tips. So yeah, just go ahead and give the video a like. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I've got a lot of videos coming with this car, so it's gonna be awesome. I already got a few more parts ordered, so within the next few days I should have another video uploaded, so stay tuned.